हाय, मेरा नाम नावीद मोहम्मद है। मैं महबूबाबाद से बिलोंग करता हूँ, वारंगल डिस्ट्रिक्ट बिसाइड। मेरे राइट शोल्डर में डिसलोकेशन इश्यू था, जिसके लिए मैं रिसेंटली यशोदा हॉस्पिटल मलकपेट में कांटेक्ट किया, वेयर डॉक्टर प्रीतिश गड्डम सजेस्टेड मी दैट दिस डिसलोकेशन इश्यू जो है राइट हैंड का, जो फ्यूचर में जाके प्रॉब्लम करेगा। और वी डिड MRI स्कैन एंड हमने देखा कि मेरे शोल्डर में जहाँ डिसलोकेट होता है उसमें इश्यू था, तो उसके लिए आर्थ्रोस्कोपी बैंकर्ट रिपेयर का सर्जरी बताया था। उसके बाद जो है सर्जरी हमने गया था। तो मैं ऑलरेडी एंकोलाइजिंग स्पॉन्डिलोलिटिस पेशेंट हूँ, तो हम लोगों ने रूमेटोलॉजिस्ट के सजेशन के थ्रू सर्जरी का कंफर्मेशन करवाया। ऑपरेशन होने के बाद मैंने 1 वीक में रिकवर किया है। स्टिल अभी मेरा ट्रीटमेंट कंटिन्यू है, और मेरा राइट शोल्डर जो डिसलोकेट होता था तो डाउन हो जाता था, अभी सर्जरी के बाद थोड़ा स्टेबल रह रहा है। सो आई एम फीलिंग गुड राइट नाउ। स्टिल आई एम लुकिंग फॉर मोर बेटर फंक्शनलिटी ऑफ माई राइट hand, and I wish really thankful to the Yashoda team who helped me very much regarding this long-term issue which is I am facing since 1996. This issue came when I was playing cricket, doing my bowling action. The hand got dislocated. Moving forward, I hadn't informed my parents, and I have continued my life with that issue. Moving onward in 2000, later it became, after 20 years the problem became very big, where Dr. Pritish Gaddam addressed the issue and he suggested for the surgery, and the surgery is done now. Going forward for the surgery, as I am already a patient for ankylosing spondylitis, the anesthesia issue may cause the issue for the surgery. So Dr. Sunita madam is a rheumatologist who guided me and other surgeons that what is the better way to take anesthesia for this surgery, and that was very helpful, and that easy out the other stuff, surgery issues, to make the process very successful. And the Yashoda team was very helpful during the surgery time and after the surgery time. I really thankful to the team.
Hello everybody, I am Dr. Prashit Gaddam, a senior consultant orthopedic surgeon, Yashoda Hospitals, Malakpet. I am specialized in knee and shoulder and sports medicine. So today I am going to talk to you about a patient. He is a 36-year-old gentleman, resident of Warangal, and also a known case of ankylosing spondylitis. He presented with a history of pain, instability, right shoulder, with a history of dislocation of right shoulder, multiple episodes. Every time he was treated conservatively, and but still patient had this pain and instability which was persisting for last 6 to 7 years. Now we did a arthroscopy, that's arthroscopic Bankart repair. In this we have put some anchor sutures and repaired the complete labrum from anteriorly. Post-op patient was allowed to do some basic shoulder ROM exercises, and he was put on physiotherapy. And at the end of 6 months post-operatively, patient doesn't have any pain, instability, and is able to do his activities with no fresh complaints. Thank you.